workbench. Then I got one set up here just so for visual representation so people can see what it is. I'll probably make this into two videos. One, the long video showing the pump and everything, and then just the nozzle. So anyways, because a lot of people, some people ask, I've seen them on forums and groups on Facebook, that should I buy whole new nozzles or should I buy a whole new injector, or should I just buy the nozzles? So I would always suggest just to buy the nozzle, because it'll be a lot cheaper. Like the nozzle was probably like $10, but if you go to buy this whole injector, you're looking at like $100 to $200 for just a whole new injector. So if you break it apart, take it apart, put yourself a new injector in here, and take it to a diesel shop and have them do the pump to set your pop pressure so it pops open. And that was only like $8 in a local shop, so it's very cheap to do. So anyways, let's go through the parts. So here's the main body here. This is where your diesel comes in from your pump. So at the top you have your cap. It kind of covers up the top piece here, all these pieces together. Then you have your adjuster that adjusts the spring, and the spring sits on top of the plunger. And the plunger comes down and it sits on top of the pin of the injector. The injector sits inside of these two pins here, just kind of locating pins. Then this twists into here to hold the injector in place. Then this is the one that goes inside your head. And then this part here seals against with the copper washer to your head. So that's all there is in these parts. So if you take this apart with a normal tool here, normal tool here, take it apart, clean it all up with some carburetor cleaner or brake clean or lacquer thinner or whatever you want to do to clean this up real nice and clean, and then put it all together with a new nozzle, take it to a diesel shop and get it done. And they'll adjust the pressure for you. So anyways, so here's all the basic pieces and parts of an injector. So next thing is I'm going to take, just like I just said, I'm going to take some brake clean here and clean up all the pieces and parts and start putting them together, and then put the new nozzles in from over there. We'll take a look at them too.